Hi, my name is Franco and I'm part of the marketing team here at ABtesting.ai. I'm going to show you exactly how the tool works, going step by step so you don't get lost in the process of running your own first experiment. Believe me when I tell you that it's pretty easy, but we are going to talk about some advanced stuff also, so you can get a full understanding of the real potential that ABtesting.ai has to offer. So, to use the free trial, you will want to put the URL of the landing page that you want to test here in this box. Then, click on Start A/B Testing. But before we do that, I'm going to show you the landing I'm going to use for this example. As you can see, this is a very standard but effective design. You have a big headline, a short description, a call to action inside this button, a background image, and another one here in the right. So, going back to the test, when you click on the button, you will see that the tool starts processing stuff. Well, at this moment, it is going to the site and it is locating the main headline, copy, call to action, and images on the landing page. When the tool finishes fetching the site, it's time to choose the variations you want to test. You can change text in the headline, in the copy, and in the call to action. Also, you can change the color of the button or the hero images you want to display. If you didn't notice yet, the AI has already made some suggestions of different text you could use. If you hover over them, you can see how they will look on your site. If you don't like the suggestions that the AI made, you can always remove them and put your own. The same with the colors. Right now, the only thing that you won't get suggestions at are the images. You'll have to upload your own, but we're working to make it a possibility in the future. Well, now that you have made all the changes to the variations, the tool will start fetching your conversion event. In my case, it is my contact form. Here, you have 3 ways of setting your conversion events: letting the AI recognize them for you, pasting the URL that defines if the conversion has been made, for example the thank you page URL, or by manually calling this code when a visitor converts. This is how we get to the last step of the setup, the integration to your website. This will make the experiment possible, so be sure to follow the steps precisely. As you can see, you can do it by copying and pasting this snippet into the head tag of your web page. But also you have other ways to do it, depending on the web builder you're using. If you're using Webflow, Squarespace, or Shopify, you'll need to follow the steps that are shown here to paste the code in the right place. If you use WordPress or Wix, you only have to install and activate our plugin. Once this is done, you click on Verify. That's all you need for setting up your experiment, but let's take a look at the dashboard. Here you can see the different variations that will be tested on the experiment. You can enter to all of them and also see them live on your site. As well, you can make changes to your experiment if you don't like some of the variations or conversion goals. Once you do that, you'll have to reset the experiment. Here, on the bottom, you can see how many unique visitors you had since you started the experiment, the amount of days that it has been running for, and the conversion rate. Something to address here is that we use what is called multi-armed bandit, which means that the AI is capable of quickly understanding which variations work better and start driving more traffic to them so you don't lose conversions in the process of the experiment. So, this is all you need to know to run your very first A/B test with us. Hope you enjoyed the journey, and if you have any questions, please leave them down below on the comments section. I wish you an optimal day.